Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software match, board model, connectivity module, and stable power. Plug the Arduino into your computer and select the correct board and COM port in the IDE. Once done, install the Wi-Fi or ESP core and the MQTT or HTTP client libraries. These let you send telemetry. Next, write a minimal sketch to connect to your network. Just SSID and password, so you can test connectivity before adding sensors and logic. You now add sensors and ensure reliable data flow. Wire each sensor, define pins, and verify readings via serial output. Then integrate network code and build reconnection logic so the device recovers after drops. Once the link is steady, format sensor data as compact JSON and publish with MQTT or post via HTTPS. Make sure to abstract credentials and use simple retries. This reduces failures. Finally, run continuous tests while adjusting sampling intervals to balance responsiveness and power use. You finish by securing deployment and enabling remote maintenance. Enable OTA updates and a hardware watchdog to auto-recover from hangs. Once deployed, monitor device health from your dashboard and log connection quality, CPU use, and memory. If things go wrong, first check credentials and Wi-Fi signal, then verify sensor wiring and power rails. Next, inspect serial logs or broker disconnects. If firmware keeps resetting, reduce memory use and add longer delays. Make sure to iterate quickly and keep a roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.